Here's how to replace the alternator on a Chevy Malibu, the Classic. This is a 2008. So you're going to need to unscrew the cap, this cap, unscrew it, and then pop that off and put the cap back on. And then there's just the two little things that pop off. And then your alternator's right here. Whenever you're doing an alternator, make sure to disconnect your battery first. And then you're gonna have to pop this off and then remove that nut holding on this wire here and pull the wire off. And then you got your clip here that you gotta unclip and then pop this off. And then the belt's gonna need to come off right down there. If it'll focus, is the belt tensioner. Get your socket on the belt tensioner and turn it that way. You might need to get access from there, but you should be able to get your wrench down right in there on that. And then turn it this way and pull the belt off, but keep the belt on everything else. And then there, I do have a belt diagram if it does come off to get it back on, but if you should be able to just get it loose and then just only pull it off, the belt off of this pulley, off the alternator pulley. And then once you got the belt off, you got your bolt here holding it on, and then you got one other bolt behind there, down in there. I don't know if you can see that with the sun. Down in that right there. Take those two bolts off there, and then you can kind of see from this side the bolt there. It's on the, kind of see it there. Take those two bolts out and it should pull right out, and then put your new one back in, reinstall the bolts, get the belt back on, and then plug those two back in, plug the battery back in, and put your cap back on. Pretty simple. If you have on your dash light, if a red battery is coming up on your dash, most likely it's going to be the alternator.